My name is Brandon Berry. I'm the owner of Berry Utility Contractors. We're a water utility contractor. We do operations, maintenance, and construction of water mains and water systems. My brother and I, Aaron, basically run it and following in our dad's footsteps. He was a water operator and contractor for 30 years. Our fleet is mostly excavators, Yanmars. We started in 2007 with a little tractor loader backhoe. And my brother and I were working on it one day and we're like, man, this engine is just, you can't bust it, it keeps going, what is it? And we got to look at it and said, Yanmar, what's that? And since then, that's what we've been buying, Yanmars. We just upgraded, got a little bit larger one for a little bit bigger jobs, at 80, have a 40 to 35. One of the things we really love about both of the tractors, I think it comes standard on all the Yanmars, is the quick pin attachment. You can just change your buckets pushing a button. And we also have a rock breaker that we throw on that 40 whenever we're having a tough time with rock, and it's just simply drop the bucket, clamp on and go. We try to train everybody on the machines. We find that it doesn't matter what their experience is or what they're used to, they can jump on a Yanmar and make it happen. These machines, you can't bust them. They're just efficient, they run well. We have little to no issues. They're just tough. The cost for the machine versus what we're able to do with it and bill for it, it's just like pennies on the dollar, really. They run and run and run and run. They pay for themselves and then some.